Verification failed. Hexadecimal 1A. Security violation while installing OS. The verification failed. Hexadecimal 1A. Security violation error typically occurs during the installation of an operating system when the system's security mechanisms detect an issue with the installation process. This error can be caused by various factors, and troubleshooting it may require different approaches depending on your specific situation. Here are some steps to help you resolve this issue. 1. Check installation media. Ensure that the installation media, e.g., USB drive or DVD, you are using to install the operating system is not corrupted. You can verify the integrity of the installation media by creating a new one or using a different one if available. 2. Secure boot. 1. If you're installing a modern version of Windows on a UEFI-based system, check if Secure Boot is enabled in the BIOS UEFI settings. Secure Boot can prevent the installation of unsigned or unauthorized operating systems. You may need to disable it temporarily during the installation process. 3. Legacy UEFI mode. Ensure that you're installing the operating system in the correct mode, legacy or UEFI, as per your system's configuration. Mismatched modes can lead to security violations. Choose the appropriate mode in the BIOS UEFI settings. 4. BIOS UEFI settings. Check your BIOS UEFI settings for any security-related options that might be blocking the installation. Look for settings related to TPM, Trusted Platform Module, and Secure Boot, and make necessary adjustments. 5. Disk configuration. Ensure that the hard drive or SSD on which you are installing the OS is not locked or encrypted in a way that prevents the installation. Unlock or decrypt the drive as needed. 6. Hardware issues. Check for hardware issues such as faulty RAM or hard drive. Run hardware diagnostics to identify and resolve any problems. 7. Virus, malware scan. Before proceeding with the installation, run a virus and malware scan on your system. Malware or security threats can sometimes trigger security violations during installation. 8. Update BIOS UEFI firmware. Ensure that your system's BIOS UEFI firmware is up to date. 1. Manufacturers often release firmware updates to address compatibility and security issues. 9. Disable additional security software. If you have third-party security software installed, it's possible that it is interfering with the installation process. Disable or uninstall any such software temporarily during the installation. 10. Consult the OS documentation. Check the official documentation for the specific operating system you're trying to install. It may contain information on common installation issues and solutions.